Hey guys, my name is Trina. Today's video is going to be Tarte Blush Tape Liquid Blush. If this is your first time here and you want to learn more about makeup, please don't forget to click the subscribe and notification bell so you don't miss any beauty videos. This is the blush. I have my phone and I'm going to read you guys the claims about this blush tape. It claims it is a hybrid blush that leaves a soft focus, glow, and radiant finish. It had the ingredients it has porcelain flowers, supposed to brighten and moisturize the skin. It has mango butter, which is supposed to help moisturize and condition the skin. And it has shea butter, which is supposed to moisturize and conditions. And it has licorice root, which is supposed to brighten and color corrects the look of the skin. And it has mineral pigment, which is supposed to soothe and soften the skin. And lastly, it has diamond powder. Yes, that's right. It has diamond powder, which is supposed to help blur imperfections, and it's vegan and cruelty free. It retails for $36 and it's available at Ulta Beauty. This is the blush tape and now I'm going to open it. So I have this blush tape in the shade pink. So before I show you guys the color pink shade, I'm going to show you right now that it has a felt applicator. When you take this blush tape out in any shade that you have, so I have it in the shade pink, what you do, it has a thing right here, a twisty, this is a twisty tube that it says, as I'm reading it, it says on and off. So it's to open up the product so you don't waste any product that is in the tube. So now I'm going to turn it right now. That's when the product will come out right on this applicator. See, right away. So now I'm going to take some and I'm going to swatch it right now, and this is it. My honest opinions about this Tarte blush tape, the first thing I like about is that it is pigmented and buildable. So it is a buildable blush. I just really like it. Also, I really like the fact that it's vegan and cruelty free. For first impression, this Tarte blush tape did an amazing job of giving me color on my cheeks. I just really love the color that I chose, which is pink. This is a beautiful color. I really like it. It blends well onto my skin and I just really like it. If you guys seen the before and after, you will see how it gave my skin some color, which is amazing. I just honestly love this product, and also love the fact that it has clean ingredients. And remember, it retails for $36 and it's available at Ulta Beauty. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this review off of this liquid blush. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe right here or right here, and I'll see you in my next video.